Hi my friends and welcome to my new tutorial in After Effects for beginners. This is the interface of After Effects. Uh, if you have never used the After Effects, don't worry. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to get started. The first thing to know is understanding the interface. So, here on the left side, we have the project panel. This is where all imported assets are stored. At the bottom, we have the timeline here. This is where animation happens. In the center, we have our composition window that appears after we make a composition. And here we have our toolbar. And here are some effects. Okay, let's start. Let's make a new composition. Go here, left click. Its name is comp1. Here we have various presets. For example, Ultra HD 4K 25 frames per second. Here, HDV 25 frames per second, 1280 times 720. Let's make new composition. We have selected the dimensions. Here we have the frames per second. Let's make the resolution full. And here we have the duration of our project. Let's change this. Let's do this 10 seconds. Here are the seconds. Just a moment. Here are the seconds. Here are the frames on the right side. And here are the minutes. Here on the left are the hours. So, and our background color is blue. Let's change this. Let's make it, for example, green and select the color. Okay. Now we have made our composition. The duration of the duration of this is 10 seconds. Okay, let's make a text animation to get started. Right click, new, and select text layer. We're going to make a new layer. This is our layer, but it's empty. What we could do? We're going here and we write. For example, let's write the name of the channel. Villa. Enter. Alani. So, on the right side, we have these functions. No? We have under text. Here we have the if you choose the text, for example, we have the pixels. If you make this 10 pixels too small, if we make this 60 pixels, and you can increase it. Here, this is the fill color. Just a moment. Let's make this bigger. Let's make this 120. Okay. Here is the fill color of the text. It's white. Here is the stroke color. It's red. Let's change this. Let's change the fill color. Let's make this yellow. So now, but at first we have to select the text. So we're going here. Choose this color. Now the text is yellow. Okay. The stroke is red. This is the pixels of the stroke. If I make this 5. Choose text afterwards. Make this 5. Now the stroke is too small. It's slightly visible. Okay, let's increase it again. Let's make this 25. Choose the text. Make this 25. Okay. And we have some other many things that we are going to explain in another lesson. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to use this align, and for example, if we have this text, let's go here, and we have the text layer there. Okay. So now we are going to align the text on the center. We align horizontally and align it vertically. Now the text is in the center of our composition. Now we want to give motion in our layer. So let's go here. Here is the layer. Okay, let's go here to transform. Here. Let's go transform, and we have these factors. We have the opacity of the layer, which is 100% now. But if I do this 0, it's okay. You see, 0, 100%. Here we have the rotation, the degrees. If I see, minus 62, 120. Okay, and you can reset this by typing in your keyboard Control plus Z. Control Z for undo, to undo something. Control Shift Z to remove this. Okay, then we have the scale. Now it's 100%, but I make this smaller. Now it's 61. Now it's 133. Then, and we have the position. Here it's the X axis. Here is the Y axis. Here's the anchor point. This. Okay, now we are going to make some keyframes. After Effects is based on keyframes. It's the most important thing in After Effects. So let's start here. Let's make position keyframes. I left click here. We have created our first keyframe, and then let's say I go 2 seconds later, and I make this to move here. So now we have 2 keyframes. You see, the first one and the second one. And if we play the animation, you see, we have a motion, movement. Okay, now let's delete these keyframes. Let's align our layer on the center. Okay, now let's play with scale. Let's go, for example, here at in the 16 frame, and make a scale keyframe. Let's make this 80%, and then go here, make a new keyframe, make this 129, and then go here at in the 6 second and 22 frames, make this 241. So now you have this. It starts here. It's getting bigger and bigger. Okay. Let's make a new one to make this smaller. Go here, make a new keyframe. Let's make this okay, and let's replay. Okay, let's delete this. We don't need the keyframes now. Okay, so now we don't have keyframes in our timeline. Let's make new keyframes about position, rotation. Let's go here. Make, for example, just a moment. Control Z. Let's make a new keyframe here. Let's go here, make a new one. Let's rotate this till the next keyframe 2 times. So we choose 2. Okay, let's go to this. 1, 2. Full rotations. Okay, let's delete this. Let's go to opacity. Let's go, for example, here. Make a new opacity keyframe. To start at 0% opacity. Then go here, make a new keyframe. %. Okay. Go here, make this 0. Go here, make this 100. So now you have this keyframe. So 0%. The next one is 100%. The next one is, let's see, something like this, 46%. And the next one is 99%. Okay, let's play this. You see how the opacity it's fluctuated. Okay. Now we're going to delete the keyframes. We are going to make to use all of these to make keyframes. So let's start here. Okay, this is our composition animation. Let's scroll to make this. For example, if I go here, make this 50%. Okay, you can use this. You can, if you choose this on the left, you can move the window. Then go here again on this. Use the selection tool. Okay, and we're going to make new keyframe there about scale, rotation, and opacity. In this keyframe, we have 0 opacity, 0 rotation, 9. Now you have 36% scale, and it's located there. If we go here, make new keyframes for all of this. Let's make this rotate 3 times. Let's make this 100% opacity, and let's change the position. Let's go this to move there. Let's watch again our animation. You see 2 rotations, 3 rotations, and let's increase the scale. Okay. In order to, for example, if you don't see the keyframes on your timeline, you can press U, and on all the keyframes of your animation are going to be showed again. Okay. Now we have seen some crucial parameters in After Effects.